In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add map to Weebly webpage. If you want visitors to find your location quickly, adding a map to your Weebly site is one of the fastest, most reliable ways to do it. We'll walk through the entire process from inside the editor, and by the end, your map will be live on your site. First, open your site editor. From your Weebly dashboard, select the site you want to work on and enter the editor so you can make changes to your pages. Choose the page and spot where you want the map to appear. Many people add it to a Contact or Visit Us section, but place it wherever it makes the most sense for you. Next, drag the map element onto the page. You'll find it in the Elements panel on the left. Click and hold the map element, then drag it into position until you see the blue placement guide. Release it, and a placeholder map will appear instantly. If you don't see the element at first, try scrolling the panel or using the search bar in the Elements list. Now, enter your location. Click on the map to open its settings, then type your full address, a business name that's listed on maps, or even coordinates if you have them. As you type, suggestions will appear. Pick the most accurate one. Give the map a moment to refresh, then confirm that the pin sits exactly where you want it. If the address is new or very specific, try adding a nearby landmark or the city and postal code to help maps find it precisely. With the location set, adjust the zoom and size. Use the zoom controls to decide how close or far out visitors should see. A neighborhood-level zoom is great for giving context, like nearby streets and intersections, while a tighter zoom helps people focus on your exact entrance. To change the map's size on the page, drag the edges or corners until it fits your layout. Keep readability in mind. Larger maps are easier on mobile, but make sure they don't overwhelm your content. If your theme supports it, center the element so it looks balanced, and preview on mobile to ensure text and pins are clear. When everything looks right, click Publish. This pushes your changes live so visitors can see the map immediately. After publishing, open your live site in a new tab and test the map. Confirm the pin location, zoom behavior, and load speed on both desktop and mobile. If anything needs tweaking, return to the editor, make adjustments, and publish again.